Today is 8th of October and here are the news. So RBI has decided to launch the e-rupee pilot project soon, which can be token based or the account based. It will be called CBDC, that is the central bank digital currency, where the token based CBDC will be like bank notes, means whosoever holds the token at a given point in time would be presumed to own them. Whereas in contrast, in the account based CBDC, it will require maintenance of record of balances and transactions of all the holders of CBDC to indicate the ownership. So it will have to be verified by an intermediary. This move has been taken to curtail the private cryptocurrencies, which undermines the RBI's ability to deal with issues of financial stability. Next we come to according to DIPAM, that is Department of Investment and Public Asset Management, it has now been decided that the center, which is holding 45.48% of shares in IDBI currently, will sell 30.48% of its shares, and LIC, which holds 49.24% of the shares, will sell 30.24% of its stake. So in total 60.72% of the equity shares capital will be sold in case of IDBI. The third news is that Canara Bank has offered the highest rate of interest by any public sector bank as of now, that is 7.50% interest rate on deposits which lie in the bucket of less than 2 crore and for a term period of 666 days, that is 1.825 years. The next is from recently Bank of Baroda went live on account aggregator platform. So first let us understand what account aggregation is. So it is like collection of financial data that involves compilation of information of the customers from different accounts like bank accounts, credit card accounts, investment accounts, and other consumer or the business account. And when this collected data is able to be shared among the lenders like the banks to conduct the assessment and the credit worthiness of the borrower, then this system is basically called the account aggregator system. So Bank of Baroda has recently gone live on this account aggregator platform. Next is that the government has notified credit guarantee schemes for the startups, under which banks are going to extend loans up to rupees 10 crore to the eligible borrowers without any collateral. So this loan will be backed by the government guarantee. This scheme will help support the startup ecosystem. Let me tell you that the credit guarantee scheme was launched to strengthen the credit delivery system and to facilitate flow of credit to MSE sector and create an access to finances for unserved, underserved, and the unprivileged. So for this, Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for MSE, that is CGT MSE, Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for MSE was set up. And this was set up by Ministry MSME, then Government of India, and by SIDBI, that is the Small Industrial Development Bank of India. So that's all for today. Thank you.